Friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? So most of the my subscriber are asking me, sir, make a video SBI Junior Associate salary slip and what is the allowances and what is the benefits and what is the work culture in SBI and then so what is the transfer policy? So most of the candidates asking me. So I make a video today. So please see watch the video in the end session, guys. Then you can obviously understand this video. Let's start the session. You see here, this is SBI Junior Associate salary slip, guys, in the month of April 2021. Actually, in the basic pay salary is 19,900, guys. SBI clerk 19,900, and then day rent allowance there 6,352, and then house rent HRA 2,091 rupees, and transport allowance there 600, and areas of earnings means. Previously recently salary structures is changed, right? So then they given areas for this 594 and special allowance 3263 and special pay new 500. So total gross pay salaries, guys, 33,300 rupees, okay, but in hand salary is 30,371 rupees. These are salary structures, guys. Then we will go for next slide. Actually, you see, guys, here the basic pay 19,900 for new joinings, okay, uh, plus two additional increments, okay. This is a basic pay. SBI clerk starting salary for candidate will be cover 70,000 with a yearly increment of 1,000 rupees, okay. Yearly you will the salary will be increases 1,000 rupees, guys, and then after 3 years from the year of joining the basic pay will increase 20,900, okay, with an increment of 12,230 rupees for the next 3 years, okay. After 6 years SBI clerk basic salary will increase to 24,590 with an increment of 1,490. Means it's a yearly increment, guys, after 6 years, okay. Then after 10 years the SBI clerk basic salary will be 30,550 rupees, okay. After further 7 years the basic pay will increase to 42,600 with a year increment 3,270 for the next 1 year, okay. The basic salary on the next year will come to 45,930 rupees with a yearly increment of 19,900 1,990 rupees for the next 1 year, okay. The maximum basic pay, guys, is 45,930. We go for next slide. So elements. Once aspirants become SBI employee, then the candidate will get all the admirable elements of SBI. Here, applicants can get the details about the elements providing by SBI recommend. Further, without any doubt, the pay scale provided by the SBI clerk is always better than all the public and private sector banks, guys. Compared to all public and private sector, SBI pays represent very different, guys. The list of elements providing for the SBI clerk basic pay. Here you see the SBI including salary they are providing day rent allowance, next house allowance and transport allowance. We are seeing these all are seen in our payslip, right? And special allowance and city allowance and medical allowance and newspaper allowance and furniture allowance, okay. We go for next slide. So SBI clerk salary in hand and other benefits. All the aspirants who are entering the after clearing the SBI clerk exam will enjoy the below benefits. Apart from the SBI clerk salary, the junior associate will get the benefit like stability, job stability is there, guys. Financial security is there, and flexible working hours, okay. A good work environment, and including this new pension system, guys. Government of India newly introduced this new pension system is there, and medical insurance there, and provident fund also there, okay. PF also there. SBI clerk promotions policy, guys. As you are aware that SBI clerk 2021 salary details, have you checked the information result? SBI clerk junior assistant will have to clear the written examination. The organization will internally conduct those exams, okay. After 3 years of experience in the clerk role with the CAIIB, means Certificate Association of India Institute of Banking, or 4 years experience with JIIB, Junior Associate of Indian Institute of Banking certificate, you can get the promotion of trainee officer post, okay. After 3 years of experience, guys, you clear the CIB exam means you directly promoted to training officer post, or 4 years experience with JIB certification, you get the training post officer. Okay, SBI clerk salary after the 5 years will increase around 30,000. After 5 years, guys, SBI clerk salary will increase 30,000. Okay, with promotion to the trainee post, right? And by default it takes 6 years of service for an SBI clerk to give an examination internally and get the position of trainee officer without any exam. Guys, without any exam you complete the 6 years in a SBI clerk means you directly goes the position of probationary officer, training probation officer. Okay, after finishing the internal exam, the SBI clerk can join the SBI PO. Okay, then the candidate will have a probationary period of 2 years. During these 2 years of the probation period, a PO will get the rank of JMG1. Okay, a junior management grade scale 1. Okay, go to next slide. Job posting and transfer policy, guys. Many candidates confuse and worry about the job posting as it may far away from their hometown or at any long distance place. Like check the SBI clerk transfer policy. SBI clerk junior associates or clerk will not have transfer outside the state for the first 5 years of 5 years after joining. After 5 years joining, there is no up to 5 years there is no transfer policy in SBI clerk, guys. This period will be 8 years for candidates who get the selected special recruitment drive for Tura and Kashmir and Valley and Ladakh. Those are 8 years, guys. These SBI payslip and what is the benefits and posting and transfer policy, guys. If you like the session, means you subscribe my channel for more updates, guys. Thank you and Jai Hind.